Hello, all. It's Marcus Anderson. So I took the communication quiz and discovered that I am an analyzer, and I tend to agree with that. Even shared my results with my wife. She's been married to me for 18 years, and she agrees with it as well. It kind of uh, describes my personality pretty well. I'm calm and laid back and reserved and calculating and always. Uh, Calm and collected, and but I'm also matter of fact. And this can even be seen in my career too. Pretty much every job I've ever held at some point, I've always been a manager of some sorts, and I'm more concerned with getting things done than influencing or promoting things. So I mean, I'm also more of a manager of a process rather than people. I don't get involved in the feeling side of things or things like that. I don't think logically. So I tend to agree with uh, the result of the quiz in that respect. As far as social media goes, I'm not on it very much. I tend to do my communication face to face and not over the internet or through social media or any kind of device. Prefer to not do, even in my managerial style, and several things. I've managed lab, I've managed grocery store as I was going through college. I prefer unmediated, face to face, dealing with things and just kind of matter of fact and brief. I don't like confrontation, but I also, don't like beating around the bush. So I mean, it's kind of where my style is at. Uh, as far as that goes, I don't think my personal relationships would be changed very much one way or the other with a device free zone because I don't really uh, use that to communicate very much in the first place. So I think that probably wouldn't change uh, my communication style at all. Um, so that's where I am with that. I tend to agree with that. I think I probably am an analyzer and pretty pretty reserved and thinking and happy with that. So I'm calm about it and I'm okay. So I'm anxious to see what everybody else's findings was. Thank you.